Hi guys, in this quick video I'm going to explain why does this light comes on the dashboard. There's a few reasons. The first reason is a really common one, which is you need to replace the brake pads. Basically the computer tells you the brake pads are getting low and it's time to replace them. The second reason, it could be a brake pad wear sensor. The wire could be broken or the actual plug needs repairing or replacing. So the third reason, since this car's done 238,500 kilometers, I won't be surprised if the caliper is seizing up, causing the one side of the pad wear out quicker than the other one, and the sensor basically triggered saying the pad is low. I'm going to take the wheel off and see what's going on. To check the other side just in case, because if this pad is in good condition but the other one is really low, that could be a serious problem of the caliper itself. Could be sticking or needs rebuilding. So I took the passenger side wheel and also I took the caliper off so I can see both brake pads, and as you can see, this was the problem. This used to be a brake pad wear sensor, and this is the pad the brake pad sensor was connected to. As you can see, it's really low. This one, pretty much like a brand new. So what's causing the brake pad to go low that quick? Well, the brake caliper is seized, and there's a few options. You can get a rebuild kit for that. You can try to unseize it with some WD, or get a second-hand one. I've got a few options. I'm going to try to unseize it first and see how it goes, because there's no point of getting the new brake pads because it will be exactly the same. That'll be just a waste of money. So I've used adjustable pliers to compress the piston in. It took me a few tries, obviously plenty of WD, and it worked. So I managed to unseize the caliper, pull brand new pads. Took me a while to unseize it, used plenty of WD-40. So yeah, everything is on, wheel is on, and if I turn the ignition on, as you can see, it says OK. Yeah, I strongly advise you, if you have to change the right side pads, make sure you just do the whole front, just to yeah, so the front pads are even. Make sure to top up the brake fluid if it's necessary. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.